Sairam class, as you know that all the subject teachers are giving project work to you and you have to do all the project work related to each and every subject only in a single file. Means whatever project work your teacher giving to you in any subject, you have to do all subjects project work in a single file. So today we will gonna discuss about project work for maths, which is based on angle sum property of a triangle. You have a chapter related to triangle and its property in your 7th standard, and this properties also will be introduced to you in this chapter. So this is related to triangle and the property related to the sum of all its angles. So let's see what you have to do in this project. For this, first you have to take a sheet and draw a triangle like this in that sheet. It could be of any measure of angle. Here you can see I have drawn a triangle which have all the three angles acute. So I have drawn a triangle, acute angle triangle. Similarly, you can make any kind of triangle. It could be a triangle with angle of obtuse angle also, or a right angle triangle also. Now take a compass and mark an arc from each vertices. Similarly, from A vertex also. This arc could be of any measure. After this, color each angle. After coloring, this is what you get. And after this, we will take a scissor and cut that triangle from this paper sheet. After cutting the triangle from paper sheet, this is what you will get. And now you have to cut all the three triangles, means arc of triangle, from that triangle. This is the line from where you have to cut these triangles. After cutting vertex from each angle, you will get this. Now draw a straight line. We all know that a straight line is of 180 degree. Now let's check that what we will get when we place all the three cuttings from each vertex of that angle in that straight line. This one is your last paper clip of your activity. So you have seen that how you have to do this project, and after that you have to write the written content related to that project which involve aim, material required, steps, and after that the observation and the result. So let's see what you have to do in this. First, you have to write the aim, that means what actually is your purpose of doing all this activity. So, your aim is to explore the relation between the interior angles of a triangle by using paper and do activity related to paper cutting and pasting. So for this, we will gonna need colored paper or any white paper, glue, pair of scissor and pencil or pen or sketch color. After this, you have to write the procedure or steps that how you have done that activity. As we have seen that first we take a paper and then we draw triangle on it and then we give name of its vertices. After that, we know that according to the name of vertices we have three angles ABC, BCA and CAB. Now with the help of compass, we marked arc on all the vertices and then we colored the inner part of that arc with different colors. Now we cut the triangle from that sheet and after that we cut all the three arc of the vertex means angles. Now after that we had drawn the straight line and then paste all the three cuttings in that straight line without leaving any gap. And after this, what we have observed is that all the three interior angles of the triangle completely fit on the straight line. So we can say that angle ABC plus with angle BCA and angle CAB gives us the sum of 180 degree. So we can say that angle sum property of triangle states that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180. So this is the angle sum property and you have to do this in your project file. Here you have the first paper clip and this you have to paste with the step of your activity. This is the first paper clip. Similarly, you have to paste other paper clip also with respect to step. And this is your second step and second paper clip which you have to paste after first paper clip. After second paper clip, you have to paste that third one and this is your fourth paper clip which you have to paste after third one. Fifth paper clip you have to paste all these cutting like this which you are seeing in screen. Here you can see that when we combine all the three vertices of that triangle together or when we added the angles, we get a sum which is equals to 180 degree. So we can say that the angle sum property of a triangle says all the three angles of a triangle gives a sum of 180 degree always. Let's recall it again. What you have to do, you have to write each and every step with aim and material required and observation and result like you are seeing in screen and with every step you have to paste the paper clip related to every step, and at the end you have to paste the resultant straight line, as you have seen prior in this video. That what you have to exactly do. And right now you are seeing that how you have to write written content in that file. So first you have to write aim, then material required, then steps, and after that you have to write observation and result with paper clip paste. Thank you, class.